Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Clay House. I'm Alexa. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Thank you for stopping by. It means the world to me. I hope you stay to the end to watch the entire video. And if you're subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It means the world to me, and we are doing a giveaway and we're almost near that goal, so that's going to be happening soon. So to enter, you'll have to be subscribed to my channel, and you will have to follow me on Instagram, because that way we can, share some information for when that giveaway happens. So please do that. And so today we're going to be talking about BoxyCharm. It is a monthly subscription, but today the BoxyCharm that I have is the BoxyCharm Luxe, which is a quarterly BoxyCharm. It's for $49.99. You get free shipping, and you get 8 to 9 full-size beauty products in your box, and the retail value is usually over $500. So that is something very exciting. Also, you get free shipping in the United States. Did I say that already? I don't know, because I've done this video 4 times. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to say I'm so happy you're here, and let's just get to it. Okay. Anyway, so this is BoxyCharm right here, and this is a heavy box. Yay, I like it. When you open it, it looks like this. Whoops. My earrings keep getting stuck on my shirt. Why did I just sound like Jim Carrey? Not enough air to talk. Anyway, okay, so this is the card that comes in the box with the items that they have in the box and the prices. And the first thing we have is the Queen palette, eyeshadow palette. And it's a pretty little case there. Look at this. It's beautiful. Oh, okay. I didn't think I had on my mic. Oh boy. Okay. And this palette has a lot of beautiful, bright colors. Look at that. Oh, wait. Let me get close. Okay. I don't want to swatch anything because, like I said, we'll be doing a giveaway and we're so close. If I decide to put this in, I don't want to have it be cross-contaminated, so I will not be swatching. Okay, so that's the palette, and it has a retail value of $46. The next thing we have is the Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is huge. It's 8 fluid ounces, and this has a retail value of $24. Okay, stop it. Everything's falling. I have like no room. All right, so then Fenty by Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. Ooh, yay. What is this? This has a retail value of $36, and this is a highlighter duo. Oh, and you know I love my highlighters. I like it. Oh my God. It's like rose gold. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, I like it. I believe I will be keeping this one. Sorry guys. I like to share, but I want it for me. Okay. And next is tomato serum. Something, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Biro, New York, tomato serum. This has a retail value. Ah! Okay, sorry. This has a retail value of $150. Oh my God. Oh, it smells okay. It has a little squirt thing on top. So it's a pump, and then you like that and you squirt it. Oh man, how luxurious. Oh, how that's nice. Wow. Okay, next we have lip gloss, vegan and cruelty free. like this. And this one has a retail value of $16. The color is toffee gloss. Look at that. Oh my god, that's pretty. So pretty. I like it. Okay. Okay, next is we have Purr. Okay, I wish I would just go in order, but I never do. Let me see where this is at. Okay, this is a brush set, and this has a retail value of $49. So, and it's in pink. I like it. See how pretty? And it snaps on the sides. So let's see what's in here. Oh, you twist off. And look at the brushes. Goes like this. Look at all these brushes. I wouldn't even know what's what. I gotta get better with my brushes because I don't know what's what. So that's one brush. You get this one. You get, yeah, I know this is for your eyebrows. And this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You get a set of 12 brushes in a nice container. Oh wow. And did I say the price for this already? This is a set for $49. Yes, I'm struggling to snap that back on. Okay, $49 for this. Very cute. Put that back. Okay, and then we have Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. And it's like this. And this is a 5-pack. And this box, if I can get it open, has a retail value of $135. So there are 5 masks like that. Wow, $135. All right. I love rose gold. It's become my new favorite color. Okay. Awesome. All right, and then last thing in the box is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. And this has a retail value of $40. And I'm taking it out. I'm gonna try to fold it exactly the same way I had it. Okay, so it snaps on. And you boop, weighted. So I hopefully, if I wear this, my eyes won't be so puffy, because sometimes I wake up and my eyes be so puffy. I'm like, oh my god. But that's a little bit too much info. Sometimes I guess it's just also that I'm tired. I don't sleep well at night, so I wake up like 5 times for nothing. Stress. Okay, so let's recap. We have the weighted sleep mask, the pack of Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, the set of brushes by Purr. I'm trying to put this nice and neat. The Kerotherapy Deep Conditioning Mask, the tomato serum, my favorite, the Fenty highlighter, and the beautiful palette, eyeshadow palette, And lastly, we have the lip gloss. The lip gloss that's in Toffee by Persona. There you go. Wasn't this a nice box for $25? And you have 2 high-price items. Well, they were all high-price items. Wow. Okay, if I wanted to add this all up real quick, which I won't because I don't have a calculator and it'll take me a minute. I've been out of school for a while. Yeah, this is like almost like a $300, $400 box. Oh, you know why? Because this is the BoxyCharm Deluxe, not the regular BoxyCharm. So it is not $25 for this one. This one's for the am I gonna have to redo this whole video? Okay, the Deluxe BoxyCharm is quarterly and it's not $25. I'll have to put down in lower hand of the I screwed up. But anyway, BoxyCharm regular monthly box is $25. The Boxy Deluxe is quarterly and it is more. I will write down in the subscription below. Oh, I screwed up. All right, thank you. Bye. Be kind. Let's make this world a better place and let's find out the retail price of this deluxe box. All right, bye.